So you see all that exposed bedrock? I mean, look at it. You can see all the rifts in it and cracks and fractures, and gold will get stuck all in it. So that's why we vacuum it up, just in case our shovel scraping misses any pieces. Join me on this undertaking as we shopvac bedrock for gold. So now what we'll do is we'll empty out the shop vac, run it through a dry washer, clean it out, head over to James, pan it out, and see if the shop vac was worth it. All right, the final finale. Well, it's already a good start because we got a little picker right there on my finger. Nice little flat piece. Probably why we didn't pick it up with the shovel. All right, not too shabby at all. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces of gold in that big piece right there. So I would say the shop vacuum was worth it today. Sometimes it's not always the case.